In a vast, enchanted forest, deep within the heart of the woods, lived a small moth named Molly. Unlike most moths, Molly was no ordinary creature. She was a beacon of light, her wings glowing softly like a lantern in the darkest night. One day, Molly found herself drawn to a brilliant, moonlit lake. As she fluttered closer, she saw a tiny frog struggling in the water. The frog was trying to reach a water lily, but the current kept pulling him under. Molly felt a surge of compassion. She knew she could help. Using her glowing wings, she illuminated the area, casting a warm light that calmed the lake's surface. The current subsided, and Molly was able to guide the frog safely to the water lily. The frog was grateful, but Molly simply smiled. "It is our duty to help others when we can," she said. From that day forward, Molly made it her mission to help those in need, whether it was a lost bird, a spider trapped in a web, or even a crying baby bat. However, Molly's generosity began to take a toll. She was giving so much of herself that she started to fade. Her wings dimmed, and she could no longer help as many creatures as before. One day, a wise old owl named Olivia noticed Molly's decline. "Molly," she said, "you are a beacon of light, but you cannot give light if your own flame is extinguished. You must learn to balance giving and receiving." Molly listened and realized that she had forgotten to take care of herself. She promised Olivia that she would take time to rest and recharge, just as she helped others. From that day on, Molly learned the importance of balance. She continued to help others, but she also took time to rest and rejuvenate. Her light grew brighter than ever, and she became a symbol of hope and balance in the enchanted forest. And so, the tale of Molly the Moth serves as a reminder to us all: in helping others, remember to take care of yourself. For when we are balanced, we can truly shine our light for others to see. Moral * balance is essential in life. By caring for ourselves, we are better equipped to care for others.